welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanted to basically try and do a nail tutorial. So when the pandemic hit, the girl couldn't go places. Couldn't get my nails done. You know, I couldn't get my hair done. There was a lot of things that I couldn't do. So I ended up buying a whole lot of things so that I can learn to do my own nails. But this video is not going to necessarily be to that extreme as far as like starting from the beginning, either whether you want to use acrylic, polygel, so on and so forth. No, I wanted to do something a little bit more simple, a little bit more easy for the ones that don't know what the heck any of that stuff is. It has taken me a year to learn and perfect a lot of the nail techniques that I've learned to do. So today I want to do something slightly different. I do get lazy, just like everybody else. Your girl gets lazy. And when I get lazy, I like to buy already made press-on nails. Simple press-on nails that you can purchase on the low. What I like to do different instead of using the actual glue that comes with it, especially now when you have to wash your hands every 20 seconds, the technique that I'm about to show you is going to help your press-on nails last 3+ weeks. So I hope you enjoy the video and just continue watching. So guys, I'll just be showing you some of the items that I'll be using to do my nails to last them 3+ weeks. I wish I had 91% alcohol. I didn't. I only had 70%, but that's fine. It did what it had to do, and that's what you want. What you want to start off by doing is prepping the nails. You want to file your natural nail. After you're done filing, you wipe off all the dust that's on your nails. Then you want to dehydrate your nail with a dehydrator. After you're done doing that, you do about 2 coats of the dehydrator. Then you want to use a bond, some type of extreme bond that's going to help the polygel adhere or stay longer on your nails, to help the press-on nails last longer. So I do about 2 coats of that. I let that dry, and as soon as it dries, I go right ahead and put a base coat. You want to take your time at this point when you're putting on the base coat, because you don't want to get that on your skin, because when it's time to cure it in the UV lamp, it will burn. Okay, it will burn a lot. So take your time at this point. You only need 1 coat of this. Do one hand at a time. So you're going to polish one hand and then you're going to go right ahead and cure it. I cured mine for about 60 seconds. You want to go right ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And then take it out. And then you pick whatever polygel that you would like to use. I will be using a nude polygel. You go right ahead and put it on the back of the press-on nail, whichever press-on nails you're planning on using. You go right ahead and put it on the back of that. I did forget to mention this, and I did not show this in the video. I did scuff up the back of the press-on nail with my drill bit. I do have a drill bit, and you will see it later on in the video. If you don't have a drill bit, that is just fine. Go right ahead and get a nail file and scuff it up with a nail file. So as you can see right now, I am basically cleaning up all of the excess polygel that came out when I pushed down the nail. And I went right ahead and I cured that for about 20 seconds. It's like a flash cure. It's not completely cured, but I did like a flash cure for each finger, 20 seconds in my UV lamp. As soon as I'm done doing my entire hand, I go right ahead and cure that whole entire hand for 2 minutes. Don't forget, because you want it to be completely cured if you want it to last 3+ weeks. So go right ahead and cure that. So this is basically how both hands look. I just took my time off camera and I did my other hand. It's just easier to do it that way. Right now, I am filing my hands. Now, you can leave it the way that it was and you're done. But if you're extra, like me, go right ahead and file your nails to the shape of your liking. And if you have a drill bit, you want to take that drill bit and you want to try and flush your cuticle line. Because for me, I kind of felt like at the cuticle line, it was a little bulky and it looked like a press-on nail instead of what I really wanted to look like, which was gel nails. So I went right ahead and flushed the cuticle line, and then I wiped off all the dust with some alcohol and a piece of paper towel. And at this point, I am going to go right ahead and put a gel top coat on top of the nails, just to make it look, make it look like I didn't just file it down. That's the whole goal. You want your nails to look like it's professional, and you don't necessarily want them to look like press-on nails. You want them to look like you just left the nail salon. So that's another reason why I'm putting on the top coat on top of it. So you can't really tell that I just, filed it down with a drill bit. You want to take your time once again and try not to get it on your skin before you decide to cure it. So as soon as I am done polishing one whole hand, I am going to cure it for 30 seconds and then I'm done. So this is how the nails look, completely done, top coat and all. I think at this point it looks amazing, but if you're extra, you could do a little bit of this. Now, let me remind you, this is beginner friendly. I wanted to try and show you up close how professional it looks. How nice it looks. Amazing. You can't tell me I didn't go to the nail salon. You can't tell me. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was beginners friendly for a lot of you guys who don't normally do your nails. But like I said in the beginning of the video, I have been working on this for about a year. Like, in the beginning they were trash but I've learned to perfect it. I've learned to do what works for me best. But like I said, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or if there are any videos that you guys would like to see, please go ahead and comment that down below. We are on the road to 100 subscribers, so go right ahead and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.